Hello, friends! Welcome to Mimi's English Storybook lesson. Let's enjoy the story together. Mimi's Picnic Day. It is a sunny Saturday morning. Mimi the kitten says, "Let's have a picnic." Her friends join her. A dog, a rabbit, and a panda. The dog brings sandwiches, the rabbit brings apples, and the panda brings juice. "Wow, yummy," says Mimi. "Do you like apples?" The rabbit says, "Yes, I do." The panda says, "No, I don't. I like bananas." They share food together. The dog says, "I like sandwiches." Mimi says, "I like cake. It's sweet and yummy." They sit on a big mat in the park. "How's the weather?" asks the dog. "It's sunny and windy, perfect for a picnic." After lunch, they play games. The rabbit sings, the dog runs, the panda dances, and Mimi rides a bike. Then they play Guess the Cloud. Mimi says, "That cloud looks like a rabbit." The rabbit laughs. "That one looks like a big hot dog." In the evening, they watch the clouds and say, "What a happy day." Mimi smiles. "Let's have another picnic next time." Great job! You finished today's story. Don't forget to subscribe and come back next week for another Mimi adventure.